Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com, and today I have a very exciting announcement video for you guys. I know it has been long awaited for you guys to know what the next series on my channel will be after we completed Summer of Stories through the last 3 summer months, and now we're moving into the fall, and I'm very excited to be bringing you guys something you've been asking for a little while now, and it is going to be the Falling Back to Basics series. A lot of you have been asking for my go-to designs, going through what my typical process is for going through a layout. All of those things we'll be going through in the 3 coming months. So through the rest of September, October, and November, we will be going over 5 of my favorite go-to designs, which you'll see a couple examples of during those months. I'm doing it a little bit different than I did Summer of Stories. There's less of a structured schedule of when things are going up. I will still be uploading Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, but not every video in those 3 upload days will be for this series, if that makes sense. And while we're going over the go-to designs, I'll also be going over things like title making, how to mix and match fonts so you get a desired look, or how to make longer titles by mixing and matching fonts, because sometimes you run out of letters. We'll also be going over embellishment clustering, because I know a lot of you love examples of that. So if you like those embellishment cluster videos I make, I'll be making a ton more. And then there also is going to be a part where we go over visual triangles and the design principles of scrapbooking in general, which of course there are no rules in scrapbooking, so those are just suggestions to make your layouts look like, the ones you see on the internet all the time that are very beautiful, that you fall in love with. And if you find you're frustrated with how your layouts are turning out, I hope the series helps you re-spark that joy and that mojo, if you will, for scrapbooking. So if you're excited for all of this, please let me know in the comments down below. I know this is a short announcement video, but I wanted to get this out there and get this ready for you guys so you guys are excited, and we'll be starting very soon with our first video, and you'll be able to find them all based on a playlist I have on my channel, which you can find down below. I'll have it linked in case you want to keep referencing that when I upload new things for the Falling Back to Basics series. And if you have any specific suggestions for what you'd like to see during this series, please leave them down below. I'm always looking for new things. So besides go-to designs, we'll be going over the titles, like I said, and some design principle stuff that you guys have been asking for. But if you want to know more about color scheme selection or working with photos or anything like that, please leave me a comment down below. And don't forget to go check out my Patreon, which I'll have exclusive content over there for the series. If you guys are interested in more real-time process videos, definitely head over there because I make a ton of them for my patrons. But I hope you guys are excited for these 3 months of basics. It won't be too boring, I promise, especially if you are a veteran scrapbooker. But I hope you guys who are new to the hobby are excited for these, tips and tricks that I'm sharing with you in a format that's made to go over those rather than just regular process videos. But I hope you guys are excited again. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, leave me a comment down below to let me know what you're most excited for. I know a lot of you have been waiting for the go-to design series, which is finally here, and I'm excited to share that with you guys. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!